So I'm going to be showing you different places that you could film with like good lighting and stuff. So the first place that I have is in the hallway, which wouldn't be a good place to film because there's too many colors and you get too distracted. The next place that is a place to film would be in like an open area because like nobody would be distracting you or there's nothing around. The third one is where there is light coming through, just like windows or by doors. You don't want to do there because it can mess up the film and it could go different colors. The places would be where there's like a desk, but don't be in a corner because that is the worst. The next place that I want to show you is in the hallway because this wouldn't be a very good place because there's too many things around you distracting you and there's two different colored walls. Next place is in a space where like you're trapped, and in our school we have this really loud hallway that echoes really bad and it has terrible places where you could film. Next place, this is a good one. You could go in the library and just like sit at a desk and work there.